Here are all the big ass HVLS fans in the security checkpoint. Alright, that's at Harbor Breeze, Lily Crest ceiling fans at the Margaritaville. There's 3 of them. Alright, that's it. Here's a Hampton Bay heirloom ceiling fan. There's some ceiling fans here. Some ceiling fans. In the line to Harry Potter, The Forbidden Journey, and Universal Islands of Adventure. Only the bottom section has fans. Alright, that's it. Here are some Forum Estate patio ceiling fans over here. 2 of these ceiling fans were replaced by Hunter ceiling fans. I have no idea what happened for them to get replaced. But in fact, the one over there was also replaced by a Hunter. However, most of the estate patio ceiling fans are still here. 3 of them were replaced. Here are some Hunter ceiling fans. Here's some Hunter ceiling fans. There's 3 of them. Here are some ceiling fans at Moose Juice. Here's some ceiling fans here at Moose Juice Goose Juice. So this one has different blades. One down there. Here are some fans next to the Incredible Hulk coaster. I think these are modern Fanco balls. That's all the fans. Alright, so here are the HVLS fans at the Jurassic Park Velocicoaster. So there's 2 of them. Big ass IQ ceiling fans in a locker station in Universal Islands of Adventure. There's 2 of them. Anyways, there are the TPI industrial ceiling fans near Universal City Walk. There's one over there. They're all off. Here are the Kickler Surrey Climates. The Starbucks at Universal City Walk. Alright, here are some big ass IQ ceiling fans at the bus terminal in Universal's Epic Universe. They are all in shelters. I can't film all of them. There's shelters on the other side, but I can't cross to the other side, so I'll only film the ones that are here. So. Yeah, I'm going through getting. Alright, that's it.